Hello, this is a quick video of how to clean and maintain the JSP reusable mask. With the JSP reusable mask, when you use it and you doff the mask, you want to clean it using a Clinell wipe on the outside and on the inside. However, depending on how often you use it, the Clinell wipe can leave a grimy touch to the mask. You probably want to do more of a deeper clean to the mask. So to do this, we have to strip the mask down so we can clean it in soapy warm water. So the first thing we need to do is we need to remove the filters. The filters cannot be submerged into water. With the filters removed, we now need to dismantle the mask. Don't want to be submerging the straps into water because this will damage them. First thing we need to do then is on the face of the mask, we've got a plastic covering and there's a lock sign. You can see the cutout triangle there. We need to turn this anti-clockwise into the unlock sign here, like so. The strap can now be removed. When cleaning the strap, we can clean the plastic part, but please do not submerge the straps into water. The next thing with the mask then, we've got a valve here we can remove. Please don't remove it from the side, this can tear it. Use the stem and pull. And these three bits can be cleaned in lukewarm soapy water and left to dry. Once clean and dried, put the mask back together. To do this, we do the opposite. So we put the valve back into the center of the mask, like so. The next, we want to put the straps in. So to attach the straps, you can see there is markings here, a triangle, and there's also markings onto the mask. If you line them up, like so, and then using the front part of the mask, ensuring the JSP is face upwards, and we've got a cutout of the triangle to match the cutout here and the unlock sign, and we just turn that clockwise to the lock sign, and that is the mask back together, all clean.